Good morning, everyone. It's Friday. Everybody jam, it's Friday. It's Friday, Friday. And it's a beautiful day. All right, let's go ahead and get right to our fractions. Did you guys just hear my dog shaking? Ooh, Kona. Okay, here we go. Fractions number line. So it says, and that's my clock. Hold on just a minute. Sharon and Jill are hiking on a trail that is 2 miles long. There are signs to mark each third of a mile along the trail. Okay, so part A. Fill in the number line to show each length of the trail. Okay, now when trying to figure out our denominator, we need to ask ourselves, how many equal pieces of the whole? How many equal pieces of the whole? Okay, I want you to discuss to yourself, with the person sitting next to you, how many equal pieces of the whole do you have? All right, if you said 6, you are correct. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 pieces. Now, I'm going to do the first box for you, but then that's it, okay? So this is the first line, so that's our numerator. 1 piece of the whole, and there's 6 pieces. Okay? All right. So I want you to fill in the rest of the boxes and then move on to part B. Part B says, Sharon stopped for water at the 2/3 mile sign. Label the 2/3 with a S for Shannon. Okay. So as you guys can see, you're dividing this into 6 equal pieces, right? So you have to find a fraction that is equivalent. What 1/6 is equivalent to 2/3? And then you could just mark it underneath, above, it doesn't matter where S would go, okay? All right. Now let's look at part C. Jill stopped to rest after 5/3 mile. Label the 5/3 mark on the number line for Jill. Okay, so on this one, third graders, this is something we've not gone over. So Jill stopped to rest after 5/3. You guys know that 5/3 is greater than 1, right? Label the 5/3 mark on the number line J for Jill. All I want you guys to do for this one, because again, we have not gone over this, and I apologize for that. I want you to just mark J, maybe extend your line a little bit, and mark J right here, because J is greater than 1, right? And this box, oh, that is terrible, guys. Let me rewrite J. If it'll let me, there we go. Okay, but you guys do know that 5/3 is greater than 1, okay? So what we're going to do is we're just going to put a J here. Okay. And then we'll leave it at that. Okay. So it says, who stopped before the 1 mile mark? Who stopped after the 1 mile mark? Explain how you know. Okay. And I'm going to let you guys work on that one. Now, on that one, on part D, again, who stopped before the 1 mile? So you want to say either Jill or Sharon stopped before the 1 mile, and then Jill or Sharon, whoever, stopped after the 1 mile. And then it says, explain how you know. I know because, and if you need to write on the back of your paper, go ahead and do so. All right? Okay. Now, let's look at the next one. On the next one, third graders, I want you to label each line on your number line. Okay? So on the first one, I'm going to help you guys out with 0 to 1, okay? So from 0 to 1, you have to figure out how many times did we divide this number line from 0 to 1 equally, okay? Do we ever count 0? No, but we do count the next line. So we've got 1, 2, 3. 3 is our denominator. So this is 1/3, 2/3, 3/3, or a whole, okay? So the next line, if you guys remember this, is going to be 4/3, and I'm going to stop right there. That's all I'm going to tell you, because then you're going to have to write your fraction here. okay? And yes, your fraction's going to be top heavy. It's supposed to be because it's greater than 2. Okay, so now you're going to have to do the same thing underneath, okay? Again, how many times did they divide this number line from 0 to 1 equally? 1, 2, 3. I want you to go ahead and label each tick mark and then tell us your answer here. Now it says, look at the number line below. Angie says that A is at 7/8. Is she right? Explain why or why not. So remember, I want you again to label your lines between 0 and 1. How many lines do you have between 0 and 1? 1, 2, 3, 4. So the first one, I'll give you the first one. First one's going to be 1/4. Okay? And that's all I'm going to tell you. That's all I'm going to tell you. So if you guys have any more questions, please make sure that you ask me or ask a parent or ask your older brother and sister. But again, if you need me, let me know. Hope to see you guys soon. Bye.